Good afternoon, learners. Welcome to TV Eskwela. I am teacher Aldren Dayday from Barabat Elementary School, New Bataan District. Learners may often say multiplication makes bigger. Well, yes, but not always. Multiplication with whole numbers makes bigger. But how about rational numbers? What about multiplication with fractions? Today, we will learn about multiplying simple fractions with mixed fractions and whole numbers. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to multiply simple fractions and reduce simple fraction in its simplest form. Please ready your module, pen, and paper. Do you remember some simple fractions? Very good. Some examples are 1/2, 2/3, 5/4, and 7/5. These are examples of simple fractions. Do you know the simple steps in multiplying simple fractions? Very good. First, multiply the numerators. The result is the new numerator. Second, multiply the denominators. The result is the new denominator. Finally, you reduce to its simplest form. Let us try to answer what's new on page 2 of your module. Have you opened your module on page 2? Very good. Teresa has a 3/4 meter of rectangular cloth. She plans to soak 2/3 of it in a dye as a design. What part of the rectangular cloth will be dyed? In this problem, what is being asked? Very good. The part of the rectangular cloth that will be dyed. What are the given facts? Very good. 3/4 meter of rectangular cloth and 2/3 of it soaked in dye. What is the operation to be used? Correct! Multiplication. What is the mathematical sentence? Very good! 3/4 times 2/3. Following the steps in multiplying fractions, we have to multiply numerators 3 and 2. Therefore, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Next, multiply denominator. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So, we have our partial answer, 6/12. Reduce your answer by dividing both numbers by 6 as its greatest common factor or the GCF. Therefore, 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. The final answer is 1/2. See, it is very easy to multiply simple fractions. This time, I will be giving you another example and try to solve it for 1 minute. time is up. Let's check if you get it right. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So, the partial answer is 3 over 12. Reduce to simplest form. Therefore, your final answer is 1/4. Did you get it right? Very good. At this time, let's proceed to multiplying simple fractions with mixed fractions and whole numbers. Before multiplying, always change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction by these steps. First, multiply the denominator and its whole number. Then, add the product to its numerator. The answer will serve as the new numerator. Next, copy the original denominator and write it as the new denominator of the new numerator. Always bear in mind that denominator of whole numbers is always 1. That is the process on how to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now, let us try these examples. 2 and 2/3 times 3/4. To multiply this one, we need to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6, plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 is the new numerator, then copy the denominator 3. This becomes 8 over 3. So, we have 8 over 3 times 3/4. Multiply the numerators. 8 times 3 equals 24. Then, multiply the denominators. 3 times 4 equals 12. And we have 24 over 12 as the answer. Finally, we have to reduce this to its simplest form. We have to find the greatest common factor that can divide 24 and 12. Therefore, we can use 12 as our GCF. 24 divide 12 is equal to 2. And 12 divide 12 is equal to 1. And our final answer is 2 over 1, or simply 2. Let us try another example. We have 6 times 4/5. Since 6 is a whole number, bear in mind that the denominator is always 1. Therefore, 6 over 1 times 4 over 5. Multiply 6 and 4. We have 24 as the new numerator. Then, multiply the denominators 1 and 5. So we have 5 as the new denominator. So, 6 over 1 times 4 over 5 is equal to 24 over 5. We have to reduce this to its simplest form. To do so, we will divide the numerator by its denominator. So, 24 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 24 minus 20 equals 4. So, 4 becomes our whole number. This 4 is our new numerator. Then, copy 5 as the new denominator. Therefore, our final answer is 4 4, and 4/5. For your independent practice, try to solve activity on page 10. The activity is entitled, What's More? You have to complete the wheel by multiplying the number in the middle with the number found in the next layer of the wheel. I hope you get my instructions. For your assignment, answer the assessment on page 5 and numbers 1 to 10 on page 10. So, it has been a wonderful day to all of us. Today, we have learned something new. Once again, learners, this is your teacher Aldren Dayday saying, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!